Hey everybody, it's Pete over at Huntsville Steamworks again. We're here with one of our instructors, Gwyer, who has been teaching a coding class.
Hi, yeah, I'm Gwyer Sinclair, and I want to show you a little bit about the Art with Code class. We've been working with processing, which is a visual coding language. We've been teaching students how to code and kind of use their skills to make rudimentary games and interesting art, all with their coding. So this is an example of one piece of code that was created by one of our students. It demonstrates creating variables, which are spaces in memory that they can store information. It sets up a canvas and then draws things to the canvas, including text, lines, and some characters that are used in the game. It also includes user interfacing with the keys and with the mouse so that the user can control what's going on in the game. It's an implementation of the classic snafu game. It keeps the score for the users, all created with code.